Top boost always ensure that the circuit is off before you can actually operate on it. So for this one, we have to only switch it off at the circuit breaker.
And then we go ahead and start the work fixing the box and then ensuring that we clip the cable. The next process is the wiring. After we ensure that everything is tight, we then turn it on.
So my top boss having installed these sockets, it's an incredible job that has been done by our top boss, Margaret, right there. Look at her. Very smart, very beautiful. And also it reflects on the work that she has done. On a scale of 1 to 10, what are you giving her? We are going to test using an uncontact tester, Margaret. So that definitely indicates what is powered actually.
It's powered.
So it is time for us to test for the voltage. Kama zimeingia hivyo ziko sawa.
I on.
Switch on. And that is what we have. 236. Have this sleeve